I hope you're doing awesome, and I'm doing awesome every single day because I love what I do. So, if you've been struggling with sales page creation, and what I mean by that is the proper elements and what order that they should be done in, if you're struggling with that like I did way back then, what I did was I created a little checklist that you can check off as you're creating your sales page, and that way it's going to help you go through it much quicker. And it's also going to give you better conversion rates because it's going to be structured in the right order that it's supposed to be in to give better conversion rates. So I had to figure all this out. It took me a while. So I created this little checklist, and I want to give back to the community today. So I'm giving this away for free. So if you're interested, the only thing you have to do to get it is to sign up on my newsletter. Okay? So just look under this video in the first comment. I'm going to leave a link so that you can go there. It'll take you to the page, fill in your name and email, sign up. And on the first email, you're going to get that checklist download link. Okay? And let me show you what it looks like right quick. So this is what it's going to look like. It's 30 sales page elements checklist, okay? And what you're going to do is check each one of these boxes as you're creating your sales page to keep you in the right flow. And another thing that I did, I used one of my sales pages to where you could scroll down on this PDF and it'll show you exactly what is the name of the element, in what order that they go in, and how they should be structured on the sales page. So it's a really cool little document. Helped me out a lot when I was just getting started. So I had to structure this so that I could go quicker on my sales page. So here's a note about my newsletter. What you're going to be receiving on that newsletter, every time I create a promotional video on my YouTube channel, I'll send out a link to that. You won't get many emails on this list, only when I do something. Like if I do a new Monday marketing podcast, I'll send you out a link. You know, if I have a new blog post, which I never do blog posts these days. I hardly do blogs anymore. But when I do, I'll send you a link. So you won't get many emails, maybe once a week, if that. And you know, it is a cool email list to stay on if you want to be up to date to what's trending in the marketing space. So again, that link is going to be below. I hope you have a great day. Thanks for your time and interest. I'm Ronnie Rokksmith, going the Rockstar Video Marketer. And guys, happy marketing.